few days ago, I broke my collarbone on a motocross bike, so the next few videos, I'm gonna share how you can speed up your recovery time. After injury, one of the first things we get prescribed, or we prescribe ourselves, is some type of pain reliever. Whether a doctor gives you a script or you reach for an over-the-counter painkiller, it causes problems. All right, pain relievers are a nice thing to have, and as long as you're aware of what they do and how to counteract them, you're good to go. So both over-the-counter pain relievers and prescription painkillers, they wreak havoc on your gut. They damage your gut microbiome, they damage your gut lining, and cause what we call leaky gut. Basically, they allow toxins and bacteria to flow from your gut into your bloodstream. Leaky gut leads to a laundry list of issues like digestive system changes, bloating, diarrhea, gas, irritable bowel syndrome. They can cause seasonal allergies or asthmatic symptoms, hormonal imbalances, autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, psoriasis, celiac disease, chronic fatigue or fibromyalgia. They can wreak havoc on mental health issues like depression, anxiety, ADD, ADHD. They can cause skin problems like acne and eczema. They can cause food allergies, sensitivities, and even intolerances. They can cause a weak or poor immune system, arthritis and joint pain, and of course, poor gut health can lead to widespread inflammation. So if your injury is not too bad, try to limit the amount of pain relievers you take because they're a problem, right? Now, if your injury is more severe, like I've gone and broken my collarbone, and I'll have surgery in just a couple days, then pain relievers are a must. And if that's the case, keep watching because I'm gonna dive deeper into prescription painkillers and how to combat their negative effects. But first, if you want our Athlete's Guide Recovery Blueprint, in fact, you can download it free. Check it out at cellsauce.com/RB. All right, you already know prescription painkillers destroy gut health, but check out what else happens. Pain relievers like opioids inhibit gastric emptying and peristalsis in the GI tract, which results in delayed absorption of medications and increased absorption of fluids. And this lack of fluid in your intestine leads to hardening of stool and constipation. That's why you get constipated after surgery and prescription painkillers. Now, we both know constipation sucks and poor gut health leads to a ton of serious problems. So if you've been prescribed painkillers, it's critical you combat the side effects right away. First, number one thing you should do is increase your fluid intake. More water will help you get your bowels moving. Second, increase the amount of fiber you eat, but don't use fiber products that have psyllium. Some people reach for a supplement, psyllium's in it. They can actually make opiate constipation worse. The best type of fiber is soluble fiber. In this case, this type of fiber gets things moving, where insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, which is not what you want when you're constipated. Now here's a few foods you can eat. Fruits like apples, bananas, prunes, pears, raspberries, vegetables like string beans, broccoli, spinach, kale, squash, lentils, peas, and beans. You can also go for brand products. They're typically pretty good, like cereals and nuts. When you're eating foods with fiber, it's important not to consume more than 25 to 30 grams per day. Otherwise, it can lead to feeling bloated. Now, not only will these fiber foods help you get the poo out of you, but they will help your gut microbiome. Where pain relievers actually kill your good gut bacteria, fiber can help it flourish. A proper fiber diet feeds and makes your gut bacteria thrive. It increases the number of and diversity of your good gut bacteria. So the more microbiomes we have in our intestines, the thicker the mucus wall, the better barrier between our body and our bacteria. Now, another thing that can help your gut thrive, which actually turns out helps your entire body be healthier, is to take both a pre and a probiotic. For example, we have our athletes take what we call gut sauce. You can check it out. The details at cellsauce.com/gut. Also, do your best to ditch the painkillers as fast as possible. The less of these you put in your body, the better you will be. Finally, you want to limit the foods that will likely cause constipation. So you want to avoid dried or dehydrated foods, such as dried fruits, except for prunes. They can actually help ease constipation, but avoid beef jerky and even potato chips. Gluten-containing foods, those are a problem. Gluten is a protein found in grains like wheat, barley, rye, spelt, kamut, and some people may experience constipation when they eat foods that contain gluten. You want to avoid processed foods, processed grains and their products such as like white bread, white rice, white pasta. They're lower in fiber and they may be more constipated than whole grains. Also, Cheese, milk, and dairy products can worsen constipation. Plus, avoid fried or fast foods and red meat. All right, I hope this helps you out. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, because this week we're talking about injury recovery and how to speed it up. So long.